Chemical coordination and integration. You have already learned that neural system provides a point-to-point rapid coordination among organs. The neural coordination is fast but short-lived, as the nerve fibers do not innervate all cells of the body and the cellular functions need to be continuously regulated. A special kind of coordination and integration has to be provided. The function is carried out by hormones. The neural system and the endocrine system jointly coordinate and regulate the psychological functions in the body. Endocrine glands and hormones. Endocrine glands, ductless glands. Endocrine glands lack duct and are hence called ductless glands. Their secretions are called hormones. The classical definition of hormone as a chemical produced by the endocrine glands and released into the blood and transported to a distantly located target organ has current scientific definition as follows. Important point. Hormones are non-nutrient chemicals which act as intercellular messengers and are produced in trace amounts, means less source. Non-nutrients cannot use as energy. The new definition covers a number of new molecules in addition to the hormones secreted by the organized endocrine glands. Invertebrates possess very simple endocrine systems, which possess very simple endocrine system invertebrates with few hormones, whereas large number of chemicals act as hormones and provide coordination in the vertebrates. The human endocrine system is described here. Human endocrine system. The endocrine glands and hormones produce diffuse tissues or cells located in different parts of our body. Constitute the endocrine system: pituitary, pineal, thyroid, adrenal, pancreas, parathyroid, thymus, and gonadal testes in males and ovaries in females are the organized endocrine bodies in our body. In figure 222.1, see this picture. In addition to these, some other organs, example gastrointestinal tract, liver, kidney, heart, are also produce hormones. A brief account of the structure and functions of all major endocrine glands and hypothalamus in the human body is given in the following sections. Gastrointestinal tract, exocrine means duct gland, liver, duct. Next, hypothalamus. As you know, the hypothalamus is the basal part of the diencephalon. Origin ectodermal, location basal part of diencephalon, part of a forebrain, and it regulates a wide spectrum of body function. It contains several groups of neurosensory cells called nuclei which produce hormones. These hormones regulate and synthesis and secretion of pituitary hormones. However, the hormones produced by hypothalamus are two types. Releasing hormones means which stimulate secretion of pituitary hormone. Inhibiting hormones which inhibit secretion of pituitary hormones. For example, a hypothalamic hormone called gonadotropin releasing hormone GnRH stimulates the pituitary synthesis and release of gonadotropins. On the other hand, somatostatin from the hypothalamus inhibits the release of a growth hormone from the pituitary. These hormones originating in the hypothalamic neurons pass through axons and are released from their nerve endings. These hormones reach the pituitary gland through a portal circulatory system and regulate the functions of the anterior pituitary. The posterior pituitary is under the direct neural regulation of hypothalamus. Location of endocrine glands. List of releasing hormones: GnRH, GHRH, prolactin releasing hormone, melanocytes releasing hormone, thyrotropin releasing hormone, corticotropin releasing